guys holding a class today or tomorrow?
We have a panel session tomorrow.
Yeah. It was an interesting name how they called it. Have a round 1 or 2 with round 2 or something. Was pretty neat. What are you guys going to talk about?
Just stuff. I don't have anything specific to announce or anything. Just do a little Q&A.
Okay.
The crowd can ask me questions. I can ask the crowd questions. And
okay. Back and forth. I'm anxious to go there and check it out. Is the Green Hornet going to be an all-new kit?
Yep, all new.
Any word on when it might be coming out?
Well, originally this year, but it might lead into the next year.
Okay. What for? Out of curiosity.
Just getting all the 3D work done on it has just been taking longer than expected.
Okay.
It's kind of deceptive. It looks like it's a bunch of straight lines, but there's not like a single straight line on that car.
Right. It says it's going to include the figures. That's nice. Curbside, so there's no engine. Okay, cool.
It's a complete interior. We'll have brand new figures for it, 32nd scale figures. It'll have clear parts, so if somebody wants to go through the process of doing custom lighting, they can.
When's it due to come out?
By the end of the year.
Okay.
It's in tooling right now.
Okay.
I'll get test shots of it soon. This is just a prototype.
Right. What else you have coming out?
So is he still part of the company?
Ranger Crest will be by the end of summer sometime.
All right. So I'll tell you who I am, why I'm asking about this question.
Everything else is new. Our timeline is so strange.
Yeah.
West Beach Associate, also the hometown of Charles Adams, the cartoon.